Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. As you know that this is your phonic reader book 2. Today we are going to read page number 48. So open your book, page number 48. This is your page number 48. First line, THOSE those, ARER HIS his, CAPS caps. Those are his caps. Those are his caps. Next line, HAVE have, a BIG big, BOARD board. I have a big board. I have a big board. Next line, SHIFT shift, THE the, MILK milk, TO2, THE the, POT pot. I shift the milk to the pot. I shift the milk to the pot. Next line, GIVE give, THE the, BEST best, ROOM room, TO2 HIM him. I give the best room to him. I give the best room to him. Next line, THEY they, COME come, TO2 THE the, SHOP shop. They come to the shop. They come to the shop. Next line, THEY they, BRING bring, THE the, LUNCH lunch. They bring the lunch. They bring the lunch. Next line, THEY they, BUY by, THE the, DRUM drum, FROM from, THE the, SHOP shop. They buy the drum from the shop. They buy the drum from the shop. Okay kids, read again one time more. THOSE those, ARER HIS his, CAPS caps. Those are his caps. Next line, HAVE have, a BIG big, BOARD board. I have a big board. Next line, SHIFT shift, THE the, MILK milk, TO2 THE the, POT pot. I shift the milk to the pot. I shift the milk to the pot. Next line, GIVE give, THE the, BEST best, ROOM room, TO2 HIM him. I give the best room to him. Next line, THEY they, COME come, TO2 THE the, SHOP shop. They come to the shop. Next line, THEY they, BRING bring, THE the, LUNCH lunch. They bring the lunch. THEY they, BUY by, THE the, DRUM drum, FROM from, THE the, SHOP shop. They buy the drum from the shop. Those are his caps. Those are his caps. I have a big board. I have a big board. I shift the milk to the pot. I shift the milk to the pot. I give the best room to him. I give the best room to him. They come to the shop. They come to the shop. They bring the lunch. They bring the lunch. They buy the drum. They buy the drum from the shop. From the shop. I hope children you will read the page at home in the guidance of your parents. Take care. Allah Hafiz.